Hey, this is Cool Trains in Montreal, and I got a Eastbound Freight here at Dorval with a bunch of other people filming here at Friday, May 26th, 2023. Looks like a T6. This looks like mostly tanker cars. Eastbound. A lot of Procore. It's about 2:15 p.m. Wow, probably later than that. Here's the guys that are filming here from Ontario. Yeah, it looks like there's supposed to be something really good coming today. Lots of people here filming. At least 4 people. 3 guys from Ontario, a couple from Quebec, and that's a short train. That's a short one. So if you like what I do, please subscribe to Cool Trains in Montreal. Have a good day.